Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok live option is not showing. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your live option is not showing on TikTok, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you just have to check for eligibility for your TikTok account. So go to TikTok app, tap on your profile option at the bottom right, and here you just have to make sure that you have almost 1000 or more than 1000 follower in your TikTok profile, or you have to also must be 18-year-old or older to go live on TikTok. So you have to check your followers from here. Then you can go ahead to your settings and privacy by tapping the three horizontal lines at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on count here, and just select account informations, and just select your date of birth. You can customize the date of birth to set it up more than 18 years or older. Or if you are eligible to go live on TikTok, but you're still facing the issue that your TikTok live option is not showing. So you can check or you can try some fixes. Very first, tap on three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and look for free up space. Now from here, select cache and tap on clear and the front of cache. So it will help you to clear cache or junk files from your TikTok app. So if there will be any junk or any bug with the TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step. You can also try to clear downloads. After that, just close your app from recent apps, retry to open it, or you can also try to update your app. Go to App Store here, tap on the profile option or tap on search option in the bottom right. Search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update and your app. After updating your app, just go back and go to TikTok again. Tap on profile option, and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to log out your account, then try to re-log in by tapping on three horizontal lines in the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and look for logout option. Select logout and tap on logout again to log out your account. So after doing this, if it's still not working for you, so you can go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for TikTok app and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. So in case of offloading or deleting, there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this app. So after reinstallation, you can easily use your TikTok live option. If it's still not working for you, so you can go to your TikTok app, tap on the profile option in the bottom right, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and look for help center, and just scroll down and look for live here. Just select see more option in the live section, and you have to select any option relating to your issue. So let's say I'm gonna select chat with us option from here. So now in this section, you can make a live chat with TikTok support team to get optional help. So in this way, you can easily fix if your TikTok live option is not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.